Today I will be replacing the overhead console on this 2008 Nissan Armada. So this is a brand new overhead console, but I noticed this is the old version, or this is the control console right here, that is different from the original one, which only has one wire harness connector, but everything else looks the same except the control side over here. And as you can see, there's one connector and then there's two extra one on the side, which the original one doesn't have it. So what I'm going to do today is swap the new one with the old one so that it will work conjunction with this panel right here. Here's the original one. This one has 3 air setting, this one doesn't, so that's why it's different. To remove this console, I'm going to cut the zip ties. Then I'm going to pop it out of the panel right here, 1 prong, 2 prong right there. Then I'm going to disconnect the connector and remove the wire harness as well in the connector. Now I'm going to transfer the old one onto there. So this trim is bigger than this hole, so I'm going to remove the 3 Phillips screw that's holding this down. Clip it in place. Now put this back. After that, you put it back into the car. If you have zip tie, you can zip tie this down as well. And this as well. So here you go for the overhead console area. The old one snapped in half and it broke off. This is the old piece right here. And the mounting bolt, it's in here. And then the mounting point, it's right here. 1, 2. And the bolts are right here. 1, 2. And then there's 2 more mounting bolts in the back right there. So I'm going to remove the 2 10mm bolt. And the other 2 10mm bolts right here. Now I'm going to remove the clips that's mounted into the body frame. I'm going to use a vice grip to squeeze it to get it out. Here's 1. And here's 2. Alright, for the rear clip, I'm using a longer needle nose plier. Got 1 clip out, 2nd clip out. So what I would do first is connect this to the wire connector right here, and then hook this over here by the hook, and then pop it into the clips, and then bolt it down over here for the 4 screws, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Insert the connector. And then it's on the hook. Now you clip it in place. And then for the middle one, might have to screw it first and then push it up the clip. For the front 2 bolt, it's a screw type, and for the rear, it's just a bolt type that's flat. Make sure to find your hole before you screw it in. And then pop the clips back in right here. And screw the last 2 bolts that's back here. And you're all done.